Are you tired of seeing mold and mildew creeping up on your bathroom walls, tiles, and ceiling? You're not alone, and today we're going to share 10 effective ways to remove mold and mildew for good. Stick around to learn these simple yet powerful methods that will leave your bathroom looking spotless and fresh. One of the most effective ways to tackle mold and mildew is to use white vinegar. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant that can kill about 82% of mold species. Simply pour some white vinegar into a spray bottle without diluting it. Spray the affected areas generously and let it sit for about an hour. Afterward, scrub the area with a brush and rinse with warm water. The acidic nature of vinegar will help break down the mold and mildew, making it easier to remove. Another powerful method is using baking soda. Baking soda is safe, non-toxic, and effective at removing mold and mildew. Mix 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda with water in a spray bottle. Shake it until the baking soda dissolves, then spray the mixture onto the moldy area. Use a scrub brush to remove the mold, then rinse the surface with water. Finally, spray the area again and let it dry. This helps to ensure that all mold spores are killed and prevents new growth. Hydrogen peroxide is also a great option for removing mold and mildew. It's a natural antifungal, antiviral, and antibacterial solution. Put 3% hydrogen peroxide into a spray bottle and apply it to the moldy surfaces. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, then scrub the area and wipe it clean with a damp cloth. Hydrogen peroxide is particularly effective on porous surfaces like bathroom tiles and grout. If you find this information helpful, be sure to subscribe to Natural Healing Guide's YouTube channel, click the notification bell, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. For a more robust solution, consider using a mixture of baking soda, vinegar, and hydrogen peroxide. This combination can be especially effective for tough mold and mildew stains. First, apply the baking soda and water mixture as described earlier. Then spray vinegar over the area and let it fizz. Follow up by spraying hydrogen peroxide and letting it sit for a few minutes. Scrub the area thoroughly and rinse with water. This method combines the strengths of all three ingredients, making it highly effective. Tea tree oil is another natural mold and mildew remover. It's a powerful antifungal and can be very effective, although it's a bit more expensive than other solutions. Mix 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil with 1 cup of water in a spray bottle. Shake well and spray the mixture on the moldy areas. Do not rinse. The smell might be strong, but it will dissipate after a few days. Tea tree oil will kill the mold and mildew and prevent it from returning. Bleach is a commonly used household cleaner that can also be used to remove mold and mildew. However, it's important to use it safely. Mix 1 cup of bleach with a gallon of water. Use a spray bottle to apply the solution to the affected areas. Let it sit for about 15 minutes, then scrub the area with a brush. Rinse thoroughly with water. Remember to wear gloves and ensure the area is well ventilated when using bleach, as it can be harsh and produce fumes. Borax is another effective cleaner that can help get rid of mold and mildew. Mix 1 cup of borax with 1 gallon of water. Use a scrub brush to apply the solution to the moldy surfaces, then scrub until the mold is removed. Wipe away any excess moisture with a clean cloth, but do not rinse. Borax has the added benefit of preventing future mold growth. Grapefruit seed extract is a natural alternative that works similarly to tea tree oil. Mix 20 drops of grapefruit seed extract with 2 cups of water in a spray bottle. Shake well and spray the mixture onto the moldy areas. Do not rinse. The extract will kill the mold and mildew and prevent new growth. This method is also less pungent than tea tree oil and leaves a pleasant citrus scent. Another simple and effective method is to use lemon juice. Lemon juice is naturally acidic and has antifungal properties. Apply fresh lemon juice directly to the moldy areas and let it sit for a few minutes. Scrub the area with a brush and rinse with water. The citric acid in lemons will help break down the mold and mildew, making it easier to remove. Finally, prevention is key to keeping mold and mildew at bay. Ensure your bathroom is well ventilated by using an exhaust fan or opening a window during and after showers. Wipe down wet surfaces regularly and fix any leaks promptly. Keeping your bathroom dry and clean will help prevent mold and mildew from returning. These methods are simple, natural, and highly effective. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe to Natural Healing Guide's YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content, and leave a comment below to share your thoughts or ask any questions.